Hello everyone. In case you do not know, a small girl, a 12-year-old girl named Sumila Ronghangpi was sexually assaulted and was burned alive by Prakash Borthakur and his family at Roha, Nagaon district on 22nd of April 2021. And post-mortem report showed that she was pregnant. Yes, the small girl, the 12-year-old girl was pregnant. And no media, no politician is paying any interest on this matter. No one is showing any news of this matter just because the girl belonged to a poor tribal family and just because she is not the daughter of any political leader. I am ashamed to say that I belong to such a society where girls are being burned, where girls are being raped, and no one cares about it. Neither the state media nor the political leaders, and no one. And one sentence for the state media: if you are not speaking against the culprits, you are with the culprits. And our PM Narendra Modi, कीजिए आप फोकस गौ माताओं पे, दीजिए सिटीजनशिप गायों को, लेकिन आपका बेटी बचाओ बेटी पढ़ाओ का क्या? नहीं बच रही है बेटियां, नहीं पढ़ रही है बेटियां, रेप हो रही है बेटियों की, जिंदा जला दिया जा रहा है बेटियों को. जरा गायों से फोकस हटाइए, बेटी बचाइए. Rape cases are increasing in Assam day by day just because the state government is not taking any strict action against the rapists, just because the rapists are not given any severe punishment. Next, it could be anyone, it could be me, it could be you. No one is safe, everyone is getting raped and no one is even caring about that. And our state minister, Dr. Himanta Biswa Sarma, yes, mama, busy counting COVID cases. Mama, apuni COVID cases se count kori thakibo ne, rape cases so count koribo. Count kori sao, rape cases besi ho jabo COVID cases otke. And mama, apuni koisile, Karbi Anglongor students burok, second division pale scooty dim buli. Nelage amak scooty, nyai diok. Sumila Ronghangpi nyai diok. We want justice for Sumila Ronghangpi. The whole Karbi Anglong wants justice for Sumila Ronghangpi. Hang the culprits till death, punish the culprits immediately. We will not be silent until justice is being served.